big reason why a lot of people come to Antibes. It's not just because of the show. This is the largest port per square meter in the entire Mediterranean.
We get the opportunity to have such a large space for yacht crew where we can just put on events dedicated towards them.
We definitely want to specialize in our core activities, which is the brokerage and the charter.
It's a very accessible show for business to business, but it's also very accessible for captains and crew on the yachts.
As Prestige Car dealership, we want to get closer to the yachting world.
The Antibes Yacht Show is here to stay, and we're really glad to be a part of it.